Hey, what's up guys? Alright, so today we're gonna go over a six-figure car. It's around $300,000 to $400,000. It's a Lamborghini. It's an Aventador. It's an Aventador S. And it's a clean title. And I'm about to show you what the car looks like in its current state, and it is a little bit scary. So, here it is. This is a Lamborghini that I'm getting paid around $10,000 to take completely apart, take off all the old vinyl and redo because it was done in such a poor job. This project is insane. Honestly, this is probably one of those projects that I did not expect for it to get to this point. I did not expect to take off all of these body panels, nor did I want to take off all these body panels. I mean, this thing is just completely taken apart, and this is a good car. Like, there's nothing wrong with the car. We had to take all of these parts off of the vehicle because the wrap was done so bad, but whoever wrapped it, they tucked into every single little tiny nook and cranny. So when we tried to take the vinyl off, we couldn't because it was tucked underneath the side skirts, and it was tucked underneath the bumper, and it was tucked behind panels, and to get one panel off, you had to take another panel off, and it's a pain in the butt. And like, here's a really good example of what I'm talking about. So right here, we're trying to take off all of this vinyl, and to take that off, we have to take this off. And to take this off, we have to take this off. And to take this off, we have to take off the wheel and access all these bolts underneath, and it's just one thing after the other, after the other. It's a nightmare. I mean, this is a nightmare project. This is a rapper's worst nightmare project, and that's exactly what this is. A rapper's worst nightmare project that I'm getting paid a lot of money to do, but is it worth it? Per the risk, maybe, maybe not. We can do, I don't know, a full paint protection film for the price that we're doing this and have way less risk. So when it's on if you ask if it's worth it, I would say no, but to some people, this would definitely be worth it. Man, this sucks. This really sucks, but here's all the panels that we've taken off so far. So almost everything. We still got to take off the quarter panel. We took off the trunk lid. We took off the door panels. We took off all the bumpers that are over there. We have to completely wrap this thing into a matte black. So whatever company originally wrapped this, they wrapped into like all of these pieces, all of this, and I mean, they went all out. I'm getting paid, 5 figures to do this, and that's a blessing, but it's a curse. I just thought it was one of those interesting projects that, I could kind of show the YouTube. I will definitely upload this project once it's done. It's already been here for a couple weeks. It'll probably be here for a couple weeks more because we have other projects going on behind me. But yeah, it's one of those things. I'm gonna show you some clips on kind of what this thing looks like, so you can see exactly how much we've taken this car apart. But to take a perfectly good car apart to this caliber just to wrap it, I would never recommend anyone to ever do that. So whoever had to do this was an idiot in my professional expertise. There's no point in ever taking a car apart to this extent to wrap it. It's vinyl wrap. It's meant to come off. I don't think you should take a car completely apart like this to be able to install it and to take it apart. But that's just my opinion. So to each their own. Let me roll you guys some clips so you can see exactly how much this car has been taken apart. Crazy. I mean, the amount of stuff that we took off this car, I mean, it looks like a freaking Jeep. Insane. If you guys like this and you want to see more of this content, please like and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see more projects, because we got plenty of projects to show, as you can see. If not, I might be mixing it up here. Peace out.